Okay. Okay, guys. We're gonna play Toss the Birdie.
Okay.
Go, Abby.
Oh, Macy.
Here, I'll be the catcher for Macy.
I'm not gonna,
Yes.
but I need to show the people.
Okay.
Here.
Okay.
Can you get that?
Get the bird. Okay, throw it.
Excuse me.
Quit throwing it hard.
Did you just say a bad word? No,
Okay, go.
I promise you. Okay, wait, no, don't you throw. Jenny, no, I'm gonna throw it.
Just hit it, not throw it. I'm gonna get really long.
Kenzie, you can get Kenzie, you can get my boat if you want.
I want to make it very long. Very long.
Oh.
I'm like, throw it to them.
Hey, throw it.
That hit her in the head. Go, throw it.
Awesome. I just threw it over that and she caught it.